Hi friends, welcome back to Team Education. Friends, in this video, we are solving match the following for the first order and first degree differential equation. One of the important topic, that is integrating factor. This video I am doing based on the student request. Right. Here you observe friends, they are given match the integrating factor for the following functions. Just which method you have to apply, that you have to know. Okay. Now, here the given differential equation is in the form of m of x comma y dx plus n of x comma y dy is equal to 0 form. And here right side they are given integrating factor methods. What are the methods you have? Here how many problems are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what about the integrating factor methods? Inspection method, mx minus ny not equal 0. If 1 by mx minus ny integrating factor, 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x is equal to f of x, then integrating factor is e to the power of integral f of x dx. And fourth one, d bit is mx plus ny not equal 0, then integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. Fifth one is 1 by m into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x is equal to g of y, then integrating factor is this one. So what we have to do, we have to take this left side problems and we have to identify which method we have to do. Friends, now in this video you spend 15 to 20 minutes time, you can identify very easily which method you have to do. So, shall we ready? Right, coming to the problem. First problem, what they are given? X square y square plus xy plus 1 into y dx plus x square y square minus xy plus 1 into x dy is equal to 0. Okay friends, here you observe. This is in the form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 form or not? Yes. Moreover, you observe friends, I given right side integrating factor, find integrating factor. So these all are non-exact. How you can say the differential equations are non-exact means it should satisfy which condition? Dou m by dou y not is equal to dou n by dou x condition. Then you can say those differential equation. Which differential equation? M dx plus n dy is equal to 0 is non-exact. What are the methods we have to find integrating factor? First method friends, you have to find the given differential equation is an homogeneous differential equation or not. If it is a homogeneous, then what you have to do? You have to verify mx plus ny not is equal to 0. Then in this case, integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. Okay. Now I am verifying which is a homogeneous or not. Right. What is mean by homogeneous? Here m is a function of x comma y, n is also function of x comma y. Then m degree and n degree both should be equal. Suppose m degree is 5, then n also should be what? 5. Now you find out friends, suppose m is 5, n is 4, what you can say? Non-homogeneous. Clear? Just example I give, right? Now coming to the m, here you observe friends, here you have this bracket into y is m. Okay, leave this first, okay, because it is a common for all the terms. Now tell me what is the degree here. This m is containing how many terms? 1, 2, 3. Sum of the 3 terms. First term degree is what? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 outside is 1. So it is a degree 5. Next here you have x power 1, y to the power of what? 1. So degree 2, outside you have 1, degree 3. So friends, you observe, first term degree 5, second term degree is what? 3. Is both are equal? No. You remember, degree means it should be equal. M you can say what is the degree 5 if you want to say. First term degree 5, second term degree 5, third term degree also should be 5. So this is a not unique. So what you can say, it is a non-homogeneous. M is a not homogeneous. So you cannot apply the first method. Is it clear friends? Why you are unable to find the first method? Okay, I will explain this for n also. No need to verify, but for the understanding only I am going to explain. Here degree 2, degree 2. Outside you have 1. So total degree 5. Next here you have x power 1, y power 1. 2, degree 2. What about here? 1. So total is 3 degree. Here you have a degree 0 and here you have 1, so degree 1. Friends, here each term of n should be unique degree, but here you have a different degrees. So you can say n is a non-homogeneous function. So here m and n are non-homogeneous. Even m is non-homogeneous or n is non-homogeneous, you cannot apply the rule 1. So I cannot apply rule 1. Is it clear friends? Right. My intention, rule 1 means which one? Homogeneous differential equation method. Right. Now coming to the rule 2. Rule 2 means friends, it should be in the form of y into fxy dx, y into fxy dx plus x into gxy dy is equal to 0. Okay, now then if it is satisfying this equation, then you have to find out mx minus ny not is equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, in this case integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny, friends. You remember this. Now xy meaning, do you know? I will explain here, you observe. This is x square y square, means xy whole square. This is xy, means xy power what? 1. This is 1. 1 you can also write xy power 0. So can I say m is a function of xy, nothing but f of xy form or not? Yes, into y dx you have. So this is y into fxy dx. What about this? X square y square, nothing but xy whole square, right? So xy term only, xy power 1. So you can say xy power 1 means xy term only. Here you have 1, nothing but xy power 0. So n is also a function of xy, nothing but moreover here you have x dy is equal to 0. So you can say this problem 1 is in the form of y into fxy dx plus x into gxy dy is equal to 0. So what you have to do? Mx minus ny you verify. If it is not is equal to 0, in this case integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. So can you guess which is a second method or a first method? Right, what you can say? Which method you can apply? Rule 2. Okay. Second problem is here you have x cube plus y cube plus 1 into dx plus xy square dy is equal to 0. Okay, friends. Already I told you this is a non-exact. Okay. Now how to find integrating factor? We have a rule 1. What is the rule 1? It should be a homogeneous differential equation. Verify m is a homogeneous and n is a homogeneous or not. Of same degree should be, friends. Same degree. M and n are same degree. What is m? This is m, right? What is the degree of m? Is containing sum of the 3 terms. So degree is 3. Very good. Degree is 3. Degree here what? Is there any x term? Y term? No. So x power 0, y power 0. So you can say degree is 0. So m is having same degree. In each term is having same degree? No. So m is a homogeneous function? No. M is a non-homogeneous function. So can you apply rule 1? No, you cannot apply. Now coming to the second rule. What is the second rule here? You have y into fxy dx plus x into gxy dy is equal to 0 you have. Okay, now in this case y dx plus x y dx plus means y into fxy dx plus x into gxy dy is equal to 0 if you have, then you can say directly it is a rule 2. Now I am going to verify. Here you have x cube term. Is there any y cube? No, only x term is there, no y term. So this is not in the form of fxy function. It is which function? Friends, you remember fxy means xy power 1 plus xy power 2 plus xy power 3 or xy power 0 should be occurs, not x plus y term. If you have x like this, you see like this xy, right? It is okay. X square y square, you can write xy whole square. Here you have a x, so this is not xy term. So this is not in terms of f of xy. What you can say? F of x comma y is correct. So second method is applicable? No, second method is also not applicable. Now in this case what you have to do? Go for third and fourth method. What you have to do in the third and fourth method means you need to find out dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. Dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. This value maybe it is in the form of n into fx form or m into g of y form. If it is in this case, what you have to do? Integrating factor. Integrating factor is here you have a if is equal to e to the power of integral f of x dx. If you divide this entire term, left side term with n, you will get function of x. Then in this case integrating factor is e to the power of f of x dx. Suppose if you divide this term with m, then you will get a g of y term. Then in this case integrating factor is e to the power of integral g of y dy. Now we are going to verify this is a rule 3 or rule 4. Okay now friends, here you observe friends, dx coefficient is m, dy coefficient is n. Sometimes friends they will give first term is a dy, second term is a dx. In that case don't confuse, you have to compare with what? M dx plus n dy is equal to 0 form only. Okay, now I am finding dou m by dou y. Okay, dou m by dou y means simply you can write m suffix y. This is nothing but we are differentiating m partially with respect to y. In this case we have to treat all other variables as a constant. Okay, all other variables means except y, remaining all are constant only or independent. Okay, here you have x cube. Is there any y term? No. So this term is a constant, constant derivative is 0. Here you have a y cube. Y cube derivative is 3y square. Here you don't have any y term. So this is a constant. Already constant. Okay. But I am saying, so this derivative is 0. So 3y square you have. Now n is what I have? Xy square. I am differentiating n partially with respect to what? X. If you have a dx, we are differentiating with respect to y. If you have a dy, we are differentiating with respect to x. Logic is clear? Right. Further remembering I am saying. Right. Now n with respect to what? X. Here you have xy term. Okay. Y square is a constant. X derivative is 1. 1 into y square is y square. That's it. Now what I can do here? Rule 1, rule 2 is not applicable. So go for dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. So dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x I am finding. What I am getting? 3y square minus y square is equal to, you are getting 2y square. Now you may get confused, but if you are understanding clearly, if you are watching my video clearly, then you can do very easily. Friends, you remember in different authors will give a different types, but you see how you have to remember rule 3, rule 4 means first to find out dou m by dou y like this. Dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x, like me, you find out. After that, here you have two possible cases. One is a divide with n, another one is a divide with m. That's it. If you divide with n, you may get a function of x alone. If you divide with m, you will get the function of y alone. If you are getting function of x alone, integrating factor is e to the power of integral f of x dx. If you are getting a y, g of y, then integrating factor is e to the power of minus g of y dy. Don't confuse minus g of y dy. Okay, friends. Now I am dividing with m or n. How can I identify? Friends, here you have mx dou m by dou y minus dou m by dou n by dou x is containing how many terms? One term or single term. Here, but m is containing how many terms? 1, 2, 3. 3 terms. So is it possible 1 by m is possible in this case? No. So don't go for 1 by m. Go for 1 by n. What is the 1 by n? Into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. You observe 2y square divided by, what is the n here you have? Xy square. So numerator y square, denominator y square getting cancelled, then you have a 2 by x. So it is a function of x alone or not? Yes. So what is the integrating factor we have? E to the power of integral f of x dx. What is f of x? 2 by x dx. So e to the power of 2. 1 by x integration log x. Simply x square. E to the power of log x square. E log getting cancelled. You will have x square. So which method you will apply in this case? Means this one, e to the power of f of x dx. Nothing but here for the problem 2, you have to apply rule 3. Clear, friends? Rule, which rule? Rule 3. That is 1 by n into. This is you have to remember, because we have to give a clarity now. Okay, I will do first that one I will do. Okay, for the first problem what you have? Rule 2. Rule 2 means what? Which is like this form, right? Now, first problem is rule 2. Yeah, here you have a mx minus ny, rule 2. This is the correct option. Next, second problem is rule 3, f of x. Yes, C is the correct option. Right, now you have to go for third problem. Right, third problem you observe. Y into x plus y plus 1 into dx plus x times of x plus 3y plus 2 into y in 2 into dy is equal to 0. This is the third problem they given. Friends, you observe first which method you have. First, rule 1 is what you have? Homogeneous method. Okay, first you have to verify the given function is a homogeneous differential equation or not. The given equation is, right? Now here you have a m dx plus n dy form, and moreover I told you already these are non-exact. Now here one y is there, y is a common for all, so leave it. X power what you have? M is a containing 3 terms. X power what you have? 1. Y power what you have? 1. And what about this third term? Third term is containing any x and y term? No. So what you can say? Degree what? 0. So m is does not having a common degree. The terms of m are does not having common degree. So is m is a homogeneous? Is m is a homogeneous, friends? No. When m is a non-homogeneous, then in that case m dx plus n dy is a homogeneous differential equation. Can I say? No. So rule 1 is not applicable. Clear, friends? Rule 1, why it is not applicable? Right. Now go for rule 2. What is the rule 2? It should be in the form of y into fxy dx plus x into gxy dy is equal to 0 form. It should be. Okay. Now here you have y. Okay. One moment, friends. M is containing y dx term. Right. What about the inside of the term? Inside of the term should be xy term. Here you have x term. Have you y term? No. Here you have y term. Have you x term? No. So can you say this is a function of f of x comma y or f of xy? This is f of x comma y, not f of xy. So can you apply rule 2? No. Okay. Suppose if it is having a xy term, then next go for the n. Go for the n. I am checking. X into dy, right? Very good. X into dy you have. Now here you have x term. Have you y term? No. Here you have y term. Have you x term? No. So this is also again a function of what? F of x comma y. Okay, let it be g of x comma y. Not in terms of g of xy. Yes or no? So can you apply rule 2? No. So in that case, what we have to do? Go for rule 3. What is the rule 3 we have? Rule 3 is dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x we have to verify. In that case, you have to divide with n. Rule 4 is we have to divide with m. Dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. In this case, you will get f of x function. In this case, you will get a g of y function. Okay, na? Now, I am going to verify which is a rule 3 or rule 4. For rule 3 and rule 4, what you need to find? Dou m by dou y, dou n by dou x. So, first you write down m. What is m, friends? Y you need to multiply inside. Multiply. Dx quotient is m. That you don't forget, friends. Okay. Now, y into x plus y square plus y. Now, I am finding dou m by dou y. M suffix y are simply dou m by dou y, friends. Both are equal, that you remember. Okay. Now, what I can say? Xy derivative with respect to y partially. So, y derivative is 1. 1 into x is x. Plus y square derivative is what? 2y. Plus y derivative is what? 1. Next you want n. What is the n here? Multiply inside. N in x into x what? X square. 3 into y into x plus 2 into x. Okay. Now I want to find dou n by dou x. Dou n by dou x means I am differentiating n partially with respect to x. So here you have x square. X square derivative is 2x. Here you have 3y into x. X derivative 1. No? 1 into this constant is constant. What is the constant here? 3y. Sorry, here y you have 3y is there. Y term is there. Why you are saying this is a constant? Independent of x, we have to treat it as a constant. That's it. Okay. Plus, is there any y term? Here you have a x term. So 2x derivative is what? 2. So is both are equal? No. These are what? Non-exact differential equation. So which method you are going to apply in this case? Third or fourth, I am verifying. Dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x, I am checking. Find out dou m by dou y. Dou m by dou y means here you have first x, here you have minus 2x. X minus 2x, na? Yes, so minus x. Here you have a 2y, here you have a 3y. So what I can say? 2y minus 3y means 2y minus 3y means minus y. Here you have a 1, here you have a minus 2. Okay, minus plus into minus minus, na? So minus 1. So from this what I can take common? Minus common. X plus y plus 1. Now you have a doubt. I have to divide with m or n. Here you have a m, here you have a n. Friends, in that case what we have to do? You have to verify this term is containing how many terms? If this this relation my minus nx result is containing how many terms? You verify. Verify with m and n. M is having how many terms? 1, 2, 3. Okay. N is having how many terms? 1, 2, 3. Above. Here you have a both the m and n are same terms. If you have, suppose m is having a 2 terms, n is having a 3 terms. In that case, what you have to do? Directly divide with n. That's it. Simple. Okay. It is possible, friends. Okay. Next one. Here you have x power 1, y power 1. Here you have x power 1, y power 1. This is a constant. Here you have x power 1, y power 1. This is constant. Okay. Here also same you have. But in this case, x quotient 1. How you have to verify? I am explaining. By the observation, you can say it is a divide with m. But sometimes it is not possible. Verifications I am saying. X quotient is what? 1. Here you have 1. Y quotient is 1. Constant 1. Right. So you can divide with m directly. I am verifying n also. It's not a matter now. Just a matter of minutes verify. Matter of seconds. X quotient 1. Y quotient is 3. Y quotient 3. So you cannot divide with what? N. So you can conclude it is not divided with n. So obviously it should be divided with what? M. So my minus nx. Means dou my minus dou n by x. Minus of x plus y plus 1 divided with y into x plus y plus 1. Numerator and denominator getting cancelled. Then you will have minus 1 by y. This is g of y. So which method? Rule 4. Clear? So apply rule 4. Okay, na? Now match the following in that case. Third problem is what? Rule 4. Where is the rule 4? Yeah, here you have. So rule 4. Next you have to find out the fourth and fifth one. You have two options. Fourth one, x square y dx minus x cube plus y cube dy is equal to 0. Friends, here you observe. First rule what you have? which is a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, now that is a rule 1. And moreover, you have inspection method also. Anyhow, x square y dx minus x cube plus y cube dy you have. This is in the form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. M dx plus n dy is equal to 0. In that case, find out dou m by dou y. Okay, this is already I told you non-exact. So I am verifying m degree. What is the degree? Your product is there. So 2 plus 1. Degree of m is 3. Here you have inside 2 terms. What is the degree of the first term? 3. Second term also 3. Okay, luckily both m and n are what? Same degree. So you can say it is a homogeneous. If it is a homogeneous, then what you have to verify? Mx minus ny you verify. It should be what? Non-zero. Okay, verify. Multiply with x. Then what you are getting? Tell me. X cube y minus of y multiply x cube y plus y to the power of 4. If I verified, then first term and this term getting cancelled, then you will have minus y power 4, which is not equal to 0. So integrating factor is 1 by minus y to the power of 4. So which method you are going to apply now? Rule 1. Which one? Rule 1. Friends, you remember sometimes it may be applicable for the third and fourth rule also. Third and fourth rule also, that you remember. Okay, I am just verifying, friends. I cannot conclude directly. Okay, just I am verifying for you. You may get a doubt, sir. Can I apply more than one method? If you applied more than one method, then we will get different integrating factors. Can I get a more than one integrating factor? Yes, you can get more than one integrating factor. Due to that reason only, we can apply the different methods. So I am verifying here. It may be applicable rule 3 or rule 4. Okay, just I am verifying, friends. Okay. Now find out dou m by dou y. Dou m by dou y is what? X square. Next dou n by dou x minus 3x square. Find out dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. Then in this case you have x square minus of minus plus 3x square. That is a what I can say 4x cube. 4x cube. Then divide with what? M or n. Here it is containing how many terms? 1 term. This is containing how many terms? 2 terms. So divide with n is not possible. So which is possible? Divide with m is possible. Then in this case 1 by m into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. So x square y by 4x cube. In this case what you are getting? Numerator x square, denominator cube getting answer. You remaining term is x. Yes or no? So y by 4x. So friends, here you observe. This is a function of x comma y. X comma y, not a function. If you divide with 1 by m, it should be get what? G of y, means in terms of y alone. But here you have both x comma y. So can I apply rule 4? No. Is it clear, friends? If you have only y term, you can apply. If you have y term, you can apply. But here you have x comma y term. That is the reason you cannot apply. So now go for match the following. So for this, which one? First one. First one is what here? Mx plus ny. Yeah, you can say D. Next remaining is what? Y dx minus x dy is equal to x square dy. So this is obviously which method? Inspection method. Do the match the following. So inspection method. Now is it clear, friends? Is it easy or not? Very easy. So like this you can identify integrating factor. Okay now friends. Friends, in my video, in my channel, you can find out around 690 videos. Especially on engineering mathematics I did. Okay friends. So if you are understood this problem very clearly, please give your valuable feedback in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.